So it's Saturday, May 17th, and it is cold, cold, cold here. And we got the furnace going, so you can hear that in the background. I just swept up here this morning. I got about four garbage sweeping things here full of dust off the floor. Came back in the afternoon to drop off some groceries here for Dad, and got another two things of dustpans full of dust off the ground here. So these guys are just discussing the latest paint job for the 52. And this is not Fred Johnson's. This is another customer. So I don't want anybody thinking that the one for sale video that we got up, it should be coming up today at 4 o'clock, is this one. It's two different machines, but the same year. And there's just I think a couple weeks out on manufacturing date. But anyways, like I said, I think in the previous video, these guys have just been dusting and grinding and sanding here. But Dad and Peter are just doing a quick walkthrough here. So I'll probably just add this into another video. But quiet days here in the shop right now. Yeah, Aidan is on days off for the long weekend. He's going to go do a quick trip to Killarney to see his buddy, and he's getting married, so they're having a bit of a piss up this weekend. So we'll check in with you guys on the next video. Nothing further on the Muskeg tractor other than Dad doing more bondoing, and the little dog is supervising. Hey, Nina. Hi. So Wednesday, May 28th, and I haven't done a video in well over a week. And the reason I haven't done a video is we're still dealing with the after effects of wildfires around here. And Dad wanted to put in his garden with Aidan, and so they've been busy doing that. We had a bunch of yard cleanup we had to do. But the boys got back on this Bombardier here today. As you can see, they've done a little more sanding in between my last video and this one. But Aidan's going to walk us through here the job.
So
what happened today?
We weren't really planning on working on the Bombardier. We're trying to get that other airboat in.
Yeah.
We just wanted to move this one out, but it wouldn't start.
Oh, okay.
And so we started going through it, and we thought that all it was a couple ground wires that we had to take off.
Yeah.
When we were taking the doors and shit out. But we got all that put back in, and it still wouldn't start. So we ended up putting a new starter wire in. This one here, fed it through the floor.
Okay.
And that didn't work either. So we were looking around in the back here, and it looked like the guy had done a little bit of new wiring. He put in a new relay box or something there.
Yeah.
But this wire here, it was completely burnt out, like the fitting.
Oh, okay.
I went to pull it off, and the whole thing just disintegrated.
Oh,
so
that's great.
We ditched that, and we put that new wire direct to the starter.
Yeah, I can see that.
And then what we did was, instead of having the key switch to start, we wired it to a push button starter.
Yeah, I can see it on the other side there.
So you just turn the key to on, and then you I'll just show you.
Okay, yeah, fire it up if you can.
Well, it won't fire up because we just put the gas tanks back in.
Oh, okay, so yeah.
It's got to be primed and everything. Like, we had these out before.
Yeah.
And then put them back in. So we'll start it tomorrow, move it out, and then work on the airboat.
Okay.
And figure out why it's full of water.
Okay, so yeah, these guys are busy on airboating stuff right now, and I know the guys don't really want to see too much airboating, but this is what they're up to here right now. So sometimes this happens where we roll in the machine, and this is the push button, by the way, right here. Mm-hmm. Dad likes to switch to those. They sometimes you have to rewire stuff just to get it moving and whatnot, and it's not as easy as one might think. Try to recommend to get rewiring done on all the machines. We've seen that rat's nest on the wiring from other Bombardiers in the past. And typically Dad just rips everything out and puts in brand new wiring. Otherwise you're spending hours and hours and hours and hours trying to figure out what the hell's going on. And it's just easier to put in brand new wire, color coded wire. But yeah, so this is what these guys are up to. So we haven't got any further ahead on the Muskeg tractor either. And but these guys have been doing some bondoing yet, and it's really hot outside, guys. It's about plus 15 in the morning, and then it gets to over 30 degrees in the afternoon, and Dad just gets played out. And so yeah, this is they're got everything moved back into the shop, and they're going to do some temporary work here, but they got to move this one back outside so they can get the airboat into the shop so they're not baking in the hot sun all day. And then, like I said, Dad and Aidan are doing some heavy gardening, and they're moving around some equipment in the yard. So yeah, just a quick shop update for you guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Okay, Charlie is barking back here. Got something trapped. Like a squirrel or a chipmunk or something. What do you got back there, Charles? Is it in the brush and you can't get at it? Where is it? Oh, to be a dog at this shop, how much fun is that, eh? Where is it, Charlie? Is it back there? This is what they've been at all afternoon. Drove into the yard and barking a beat hell. Even Yeti came by to see what's going on. I can hear it. Where is it? Oh, there's so much fun going on here.